current.
Alright, I'm doing this for over 4 years. I'm doing this. Alright, I cook chicken, I cook chicken, I cook pork, I cook fish. So you come to Karen in Telegram, you get the good cooking of food here. Choose chicken, curry chicken, fried chicken, fish, stew beef, name it, manish water, name it. Karen got it. Everything. Yeah, everything. It's a pork. It's a rice and peas.
Okay.
Alright. It's a jerk chicken.
The jerk chicken over here, that's the jerk.
Jerk chicken. Right. And we do fish. We do
Yeah, you do
fish.
breakfast.
No, I'm not do breakfast.
You get breakfast this morning, so you do breakfast.
What you say first day? No, I'm not do breakfast.
So you do breakfast. Come and get the breakfast this morning.
Eh? No. Oh. Lunch. And if I want dinner, that's
Yeah,
it.
but this morning, the breakfast, I need, you know, cause, you know, we got some festive.
So, you may not do breakfast. I don't make a sense.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you very much.